Hey and welcome to Alpha One. It's been a while now since we have run this Alpha One trader at Pocket Option, and I want to run it again today because lately we have been concentrating much about our new Forex Telegram signal group that is completely for free, by the way. You can join there and completely for free. You will find a link below the video to that Telegram channel. And of course, we are running our Alpha One iBot. But let's in this video run Alpha One Trader. It's a worldwide binary option robot that works at Pocket Option, and you can download that robot also completely for free. Just use the link you see up there right now, or just use the link you find below the video. So let's see how much money you can make in this video with Alpha One Trader. And there we have it. In a matter of 20 minutes, did we make $250 with Alpha One Trader. So you can run this robot also. You find link below the video, and you can download this robot today and get started today. So what are you waiting for? I see you on the next video where we are making more money with Alpha One Trader.